Welcome back to my channel. So I am Asanya and I'm a second year MBBS student at Amrita. So today's vlog is gonna about how I struggle in my life. So a hectic day in my life as an MBBS student of second year and also on periods female. So today we'll be seeing every chaos that will be gonna occur in my vlog so that you can enjoy fully and entertain fully. So today is a study vlog, not a anything vlog or not even study vlog also. It's like a whole hectic vlog. So let's me quickly tell you what all we have to do today. So let's fatapat se make a to-do list. Okay, so this is how my to-do list look like. So for today, I have to complete the patho, the male reproductive system unit, and also I have to study some pharma and basically some systemic topics. Then I have to do revision. I have to teach some students. Also, I have to take bath and take medications, and then keep myself happy because I'm on my periods, and I have to keep myself happy by shopping. So let's quickly get down to study and have a freshen up environment as my mind needs a break right now. So let's quickly freshen up. Okay, so I have finally completed one of the most important topic, that is about the testicular tumors. So I have completed the whole of the testicular tumor. If you can see, whole of the testicular tumor I have completed, and now I have to move it to the next chapter, that is prostate tumors. So we'll be covering that. So let's quickly get into the prostate tumors. Let's go to Bass to have something or the other food. So I'll show you Bass ka khana. And here to have chutney. For like I was sleeping for 2 hours or approx बहुत सारा time हो चुका है and I have to do work. मैंने पढ़ाई भी नहीं की कुछ भी. So let's get back फटाफट से exams हैं and I can't do like this. So अभी I'll take a quick bath and then I'll change my bedsheet. थोड़ा सा रूम का white change करना है and उसके बाद झाड़ू पोछा करके फटाफट से I'll get back to studies because I'm already tired और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा periods पे हूँ तो it's like very hectic. बहुत ही tiredness है and weakness है. You can see on my face like मेरी तबीयत बिल्कुल भी ठीक नहीं है. So let's फटाफट से get started. Finally I have completed like more than 2 chapters. I don't know Sunday को मुझे इतनी ताकत कहाँ से आ जाती है. So when I vlog ना it's like more towards like productive कि यार करना है वरना लोग देख रहे हैं तो मुझे करना पड़ेगा of course. So it's like that. तो I am in love with these things. मुझे नहीं पता बट मैंने कर लिया ठीक है and it's over now. मैंने पढ़ लिया मैंने पढ़ा लिया मेरे सारे to do list complete हो गए and it's since इन द मॉर्निंग, लाइक अभी तक कुछ नहीं, मतलब मैंने सिर्फ और सिर्फ 5-6 घंटे पढ़े होंगे, एंड इट्स डन. I'm so glad. Okay, so now it's the time to have a dinner. So me and my friend is going to NT canteen of this college. So let's get dinner and then I'll talk to you. Bye bye.